In today's uncertain economy, relying solely on a single source of income can be risky. Many people find themselves in precarious financial situations when they depend on just one paycheck. The job market is unpredictable and industries can change overnight, leaving you vulnerable. Unexpected job loss, salary cuts, or economic downturns can significantly impact your financial well-being. Imagine the stress of suddenly losing your primary source of income. It can be a devastating blow, leading to anxiety and uncertainty about the future. Building multiple income streams is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. Diversifying your income sources can provide a buffer against financial shocks. Whether it's through side gigs, investments, or passive income, having multiple streams can help you stay afloat during tough times. Multiple income streams act as a safety net, providing financial security and peace of mind. When you have various sources of income, you are less likely to be affected by the loss of one. This financial cushion can help you maintain your lifestyle and meet your obligations without undue stress. Imagine losing your job but still having money coming in from other sources. This scenario is possible when you have diversified your income. You could have rental income, freelance work, or dividends from investments that continue to support you even if one source dries up. This is the power of diversification. By spreading your income across different streams, you reduce the risk associated with relying on a single source. Diversification can include a mix of active and passive income, such as a part-time job, a small business, or investments in stocks and real estate. Imagine a safety net, catching you if one income source falls short. This safety net can prevent financial freefall and provide stability. It allows you to take calculated risks, knowing that you have a backup plan in place. This is the peace of mind you gain from multiple income streams. Knowing that you have a diversified income portfolio can reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. It gives you the freedom to enjoy life without constantly worrying about money. Don't wait for a financial crisis to take action. Proactively building multiple income streams can safeguard your future. Start by identifying opportunities that align with your skills and interests. The sooner you begin, the more secure your financial future will be. Start building your income streams today and secure your financial future. Take small steps towards diversification, and over time, you will create a robust financial safety net. Your future self will thank you for the foresight and effort you put in now. Building multiple income streams doesn't have to be complicated. Follow this simple 3-step strategy to get started. First, identify your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Second, explore income-generating opportunities. Research different ways to monetize your skills, whether through freelancing, investing, or passive income streams. And third, take action and diversify. Start small, focusing on 1 or 2 income streams initially. Gradually expand and diversify as you gain experience and confidence. Remember, building multiple income streams is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at the results over time. Freelancing is a great way to monetize your skills and be your own boss. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, virtual assistant, or have other in-demand skills, there's a freelance opportunity waiting for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Create a compelling profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects that interest you. The beauty of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. Set your own hours, work from anywhere, and choose projects that align with your interests and goals. Investing is like planting a seed and watching it grow over time. It's a powerful way to build long-term wealth and create passive income streams. Start by educating yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Consider your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. It's crucial to start early and invest consistently, even if it's a small amount. Compound interest will work its magic, growing your investments exponentially over time. Section 5. Passive income earning while you sleep. Passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom. It's earning money even when you're not actively working. There are numerous ways to generate passive income, such as creating and selling online courses or ebooks, renting out a spare room on Airbnb, or starting a dropshipping business. While passive income streams require upfront effort to set up, They can generate consistent income over the long term, providing you with financial security and freedom. Section 6. Real-life examples from side hustle to success. Countless individuals have successfully built multiple income streams and achieved financial independence. Take Sarah, for example. She was working a demanding full-time job but always had a passion for writing. She decided to turn that passion into a side hustle by offering freelance writing services. Initially, it was tough balancing her job and her new venture, but she persevered. Sarah started small, taking on a few clients in her spare time. She worked late nights and weekends, honing her skills and building a portfolio. Her dedication paid off as she began to attract more clients and higher-paying projects. Over time, her side hustle grew, eventually surpassing her primary income, allowing her to quit her job and become her own boss. Now Sarah enjoys the freedom and flexibility of working from home, setting her own hours and choosing the projects she wants to work on. Or consider John, who started investing in real estate with a small down payment. He was initially skeptical about the risks involved, but he educated himself on the market and took the plunge. His first property was a modest one-bedroom apartment which he rented out to cover the mortgage. He now owns multiple rental properties, generating passive income that covers his living expenses and more. John's journey wasn't without challenges. He faced tenant issues and market fluctuations, but his persistence and smart investment choices paid off. These are just a few examples of how ordinary people can achieve extraordinary financial results by building multiple income streams. Whether it's through freelancing, investing, or other ventures, the key is to start small, stay committed, and continuously learn and adapt. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards of financial independence and personal fulfillment are well worth the effort. Section 7. Your journey to financial independence starts now. Building multiple income streams is not just about making more money, it's about taking control of your finances, achieving your goals, and living life on your own terms. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, and make a difference in the world without being limited by financial constraints. The first step is the most important. Don't wait for the perfect time or until you have everything figured out. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at the transformative power of multiple income streams. Section 8. Take control of your future. Join the free webinar. Ready to unlock your earning potential and create a life of financial abundance? Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere at any time and still generate a substantial income. Our free webinar is designed to help you achieve just that. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or completely transform your financial situation, this webinar is for you. Join our free webinar workshop where we'll reveal a proven 3-step blueprint to generate $10,000 or more per month from multiple income streams. This isn't just theory. These are actionable steps that you can start implementing right away. Our expert presenters have years of experience and have helped countless individuals achieve financial success. In this webinar, you'll learn proven strategies for identifying profitable income-generating opportunities, even if you're starting from scratch. We'll guide you through the process of finding niches that are not only lucrative but also align with your interests and skills. You'll also get practical tips for starting and scaling your income streams, even with a busy schedule. We understand that time is a precious commodity, and our strategies are designed to be efficient and effective. Learn how to manage your time better and prioritize tasks that will bring you closer to your financial goals. Additionally, we'll share real-life examples and case studies of successful individuals who have built multiple income streams. These stories will not only inspire you, but also provide you with a roadmap to follow. See how ordinary people have achieved extraordinary results, and how you can too. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. This webinar could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Imagine the possibilities that come with financial freedom, traveling the world, spending more time with loved ones, and pursuing your passions without financial constraints. Register now and take the first step towards financial freedom. Secure your spot today and start your journey towards a more prosperous and fulfilling life. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you for taking action now. Section 9. Unlock your earning potential. Building multiple income streams is within your reach. Take action today and unlock your full earning potential. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Register for the free webinar now and embark on your path to financial freedom.